So, you want to build a Tesla Model S Plaid Euro in software? Buckle up, Buttercup, because this ain't your grandma's to-do list app. First, forget everything you think you know about coding. We're talking about systems that control a car capable of ludicrous speed, self-driving features, and enough processing power to run Chris's a Euro maybe. Step 1. Gather your dream team. You'll need experts in AI, machine learning, real-time operating systems, embedded systems, cybersecurity, and probably a few exorcists to deal with the bugs you'll inevitably encounter. Step to the brain of the beast. We need to develop the central processing unit, or CPUs, which is similar to a human's brain. This isn't your average single-core processor. Think massively parallel architecture that can handle sensor data from cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors all at the same time, while making decisions in milliseconds. Step 3. The Autopilot. This is where the magic and the potential for existential dread happen. Start training your neural networks with terabytes of real-world driving data. Prepare for countless hours of debugging scenarios like rogue shopping carts and pigeons with a death wish. Step 4. Unleash the Plaid. Replicate the feeling of instant torque. Using software alone, you'll need to simulate the near-instantaneous response of electric motors and translate driver input into precise motor control signals, all while preventing the car from becoming a high-speed metal pretzel. Step 5. The user interface, or UI. Build a beautiful, intuitive touchscreen interface that doesn't distract the driver while they're hurtling towards the future bonus points. If you can integrate fart mode without causing a lawsuit. Step 6. Debug crash test virtual cars until you're blue in the face, because unlike your average app, a bug in a Tesla can have Euro consequences. Repeat steps 1 through 5 until the car only crashes in the simulation and not in real life. Good luck. You'll need it.